Welcome to CodeCraft AI, the channel dedicated to exploring the intersection of programming and artificial intelligence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. We're thrilled to share that this video was created entirely using artificial intelligence. From the avatar you see on screen to the voice that narrates the script, everything was generated using cutting-edge AI technology. At CodeCraft AI, we're passionate about exploring the possibilities of AI and using it to enhance our content. Our videos cover a range of topics, from Python programming tutorials to AI-powered tech reviews, with a focus on helping you unlock the potential of these technologies. Join us on our journey as we craft intelligent solutions with code and explore the limitless possibilities of AI. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them in the comments section below. We can't wait to see you in the next video.